Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is actually an entry for a competition that's been held by Monkey Lockpicks, who I'd not heard of before this competition, and I saw other people picking locks, and so I've subscribed to him, and I want to enter the competition. And the competition was to pick 3 locks, different model numbers, but same brand, with non-removable cores, using only 1 tension wrench and 1 pick. And so what I've got here is the ABUS 4150, ABUS 6540, and the ABUS 6530. And 2 of them have keys, but hey, we don't need any keys, so it's a speed picking challenge. So I'm just going to get started. I don't have a timer, but I will put the time on screen, and feel free to time it yourself. Right, so I'm just going to start off now. That's the biggest one opened. ABUS 6540 now. Opened. ABUS 6530. Open. Right, hopefully you can see that alright. I'm not sure if vices were permitted or not, so I just picked in hand. So there we go. I want to say I hope this video isn't too late. I want to say thank you to Monkey Lockpicks for the competition. If you haven't heard of him, check out his channel. And yeah, good luck to everybody else who's entered. And yeah, it's just a bit fun. So thank you very much for watching this video, and that's all for now. Bye.